So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have BoxyCharm! Boxyluxe.
Boxyluxe.
Boxyluxey? Boxyluxe. Is it Luxe-y? Or is it Lux? I don't know.
Boxyluxey. Boxyluxe. Boxyluxey.
Boxyluxe sounds better though, right?
Yeah.
But this month the box is white. So that's exciting.
And it's bigger.
And it is bigger. She's never seen the Boxyluxe. This is my helper today. Her name is Scarlett. She's my oldest. How old are you?
7.
7. Alright. So we have Boxyluxe this month. And you can, it's like an upgrade to your regular box. And you pay like $25 extra a month. Oh, look! There's little cutout hearts.
And there's a car.
That's adorable. Well, it makes it really nice to like hold the box up.
And there's a card.
And there's a card.
Should we read the card first or last?
And we'll read it as we go. It's Lucky. BoxyCharm Lucky is the I'm just looking at the first thing in the box here is the Vitamin C Brightening Glow Mask Facial Sheets. And this is a box of 5. They are bamboo sheet masks.
Ooh, bamboo.
And they retail for $15. So that's the first thing in the box. The next thing in the box is
a eyeshadow palette.
Yes, is the Barbella Eyeshadow Palette.
We might put it in the giveaway.
And we might put it in the giveaway because everything in here I already have. In other palettes, I could recreate this entire palette with my makeup drawer that I currently have, with the palettes I currently have. So I don't want to touch any of the shades. I'm going to put it in the giveaway for you guys. Help us get to 500 subscribers.
Or 1,000.
Or 1,000, apparently. I mean, I want to get to 500. That's my first goal. And then I'll host another giveaway. So that's going to go straight into that little giveaway box I have. The next thing in the box I am really excited about is, oh, by the way, that palette retails for $50. Wow. So the next thing in the box is this B Flat Firming Belly Cream. Improve cellulite appearance. Minimize appearance of stretch marks. I have 3 kiddos and C-sections. So I am really excited about this. It says mind your body and it's a 100 ml bottle. Feel how pretty that is.
I like it.
And that
Even
retails. Yeah, that's pretty cute. How much does that retail for?
$40?
I don't know. I can't find it. Oh, $49. Close.
$49.
$49. I wonder.
It's a cream.
Yeah, it's a cream for your belly.
I smell. Ooh, I like it.
It smells good. Put it on my mom's belly. The stretching looks so real. Okay, this is from Ole Hendrickson. It says Transform Plus fights all major signs of aging. It's a glow facial. Fat glow facial. Let me take it out of the box. Oops.
Oh.
You gonna get that?
It's instructions, I think.
Yeah. And that's a cool little thing.
Ooh, I also found this brush.
Thank you.
Did you miss it?
Nope, but that's all right. So I am interested. I'm intrigued about this. This is from Ole Hendrickson. It retails for $50. I don't think I haven't read any of the descriptions on these, but that's okay. Let me read that because it doesn't really say much. It says, get flawless skin in a flash with the pHs and no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredients. The first one-step at-home facial, like AHAs and PHAs, deliver skin perfecting, age fighting results. The PHA are just a little plumper. The They're a bigger molecule, so they don't go as deep and as they loosen up the glue that binds the surface layers of the skin together and reveals the newer, fresher skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive types. So that's interesting. I am interested in that because I do get really sensitive skin when it comes to these types of like facials. So I'm gonna try that out. That's cool. The next thing in this box is Plump Hyaluronic Serum Deep Hydration and Glow from Glow Recipe.
Can I try and open it?
Sure. I'll read.
Can I rip the box?
Yes. It says this is a concentrated formula. Oh, this concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. The Silky Gel Water Serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum,
This is interesting.
hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. And that retails for $42. Okay. Ooh.
It's a little dough.
That is so pretty. Is it? And it's like a little pump.
Oh, it comes with its own little box.
Inside a box. Ooh.
I bet we should
It's a
take...
very... It's sweet. It smells sweet. Smell this. I like the way this feels. Oh, I'm excited about that. Next thing in the box is Save Your Skin Toner 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray. And this is a daily treatment spray designed to smooth, purify, and renew stressed out skin. Featuring pure... a special type of acid. It's a natural antibacterial compound found in the body's natural immune system. And it is certified with the National Eczema Association. Safe for all skin types.
All skin types. Hey, I don't know.
You know what this... It literally feels like saline spray. I mean, I like it.
What's saline spray?
Oh, so we have a tool, and the last 2 things in the box is a tool and a Dominique Cosmetics lip liner.
Can I open it?
Which one? The tool? The heat brush?
Heat brush.
The mini heat brush, and I will test out the Dominique lip. So the mini heat brush is...
Oh. It's just for
$150 for this mini heat brush.
So we
Holy cow.
We gotta be careful and make sure it doesn't break.
Yeah.
That's a lot of dollars. Here it is. Here's our little brush. So you should never go near the
I don't know
eyes
what it doesn't
with
say what it's supposed to do.
Shouldn't go for the eyes with it.
No, you shouldn't. It just says it's supposed to glide through your hair. I wonder what the heck that does to my hair.
Look at, you shouldn't touch it when it's heat.
You're correct, and you shouldn't put it in the water. So this is the Dominique's Define and Fill Unique Teardrop Lip Shaped Lip Liner. And it says it keeps your lips pillowy soft. I really like the color.
It has a power switch.
We should plug it in and see how it is.
Okay. Can I also use some of that?
No.
I like it.
It's like my perfect color.
I want to wear some. Like a girl's night out too. It's fun bringing these masks.
No, like we can do them at home.
Oh.
All right, let's test out this heat brush. Let's see what happens. Let me go plug it in.
I wouldn't have it on.
No. Should I just try a piece?
I think it'll be better when it's That looks straight.
Maybe it's straighter than it was.
Can I try and brush
It's
that?
not straight by any means.
Can I try and straighten it?
It's not warm yet either. So it's just kind of combing it out. So it is. It's about 2:30. We'll say it's about 2:30. I'm going to finish doing this piece that I have right here in front of me. Seems like the bottom is definitely going to be the hardest spot.
But the top and the other parts are pretty good.
Okay, so there's that. So it's about 2:30 on
Ooh, I like it.
on Tuesday, and we are going to go upstairs, and I'm going to try and straighten the rest of my hair with this little
And
mini.
I want to try. Daddy's gonna be like,
What?
Who is this?
What the what?
Who is this? Is this a stranger? Who let a stranger into her house? Mom, where are you? Come out.
Mom, where are you? I mean, it's not doing a bad job. My hair is very frizzy, though. That's my only, like...
I like it.
It's not perfectly straight. You see that?
Yeah, but I like it.
You like it.
It's easier to play with.
Yeah, but that's only a very small portion of my hair. If we keep going, let's see what happens.
Yeah, let's keep going. Let's do all of your hair.
Okay, I'm going to pull this up just so I can see a bit easier.
How are you supposed to do it going upward?
I might need your help with this back part, kiddo.
I'll go next to all.
Okay. Alright, it's been an hour of straightening and I need to walk away. It's too hot. I got to like this type of a texture with my hair. I don't feel like that's worth $150, guys. I really don't. I will, if I come back to it and finish, I will show you, and obviously take you along if I do. But,